Yes, in this video we are going to see whether WordPress is good for beginners or not. Okay, so I think most people might know what is WordPress, but the people who does not know WordPress, so the WordPress is nothing but it is a framework on website development. It developed on the language called PHP. Okay, so WordPress is mainly for designing the websites without any technical knowledge. So if you are a business owner who does not have any technical knowledge, then this WordPress will be useful. Okay, but as a software engineer or as a computer programming background, if you're having any background, but still if you are a beginner, then my choice is don't learn WordPress actually here, because if you want to start your job. So the reason is because, as I mentioned, WordPress is specifically for the people who does not have the technical knowledge and they want to start a website and they want to manage by themselves, specifically like business owners. But if you are a software engineer, you want to improve yourself and you want to have a good, you want to reach successful software career, programming career, then my advice is you have to go on to some other different frameworks like Angular or React, and you can learn Java or Python also. You can become a good software engineer. But as a beginner, if you want to become a WordPress developer, then I don't think so it's a good idea, because you will keep yourself in a very smaller framework where it does not have any programming logics and all these things. Maybe you will have some other logics, but that will not, as a software engineer, that's not enough to explore yourself. So if you want to become a successful software engineer and you want to know lots of different paths, lots of different scenarios, then it's always good to have different technical languages like React, JavaScript and all these things. So if you want to become a successful software developer, it is best to have some other framework and go into the different thing. But there is one scenario. You are a beginner, but you don't have a time. You want to get into the job. You might saw some opportunity in the WordPress. Yes, because if you want to rush yourself and you want to go into the job, then yes, you can go into the job and you can become a WordPress developer. But parallelly, try to improve your knowledge in some other languages also, and you can try to be a good, try to jump yourself from this WordPress to the different one. But if you are a software engineer and you have a lot of time to explore yourself and you don't need to rush to get a job, then I always say take a time and learn some other frameworks and try to join in a good companies actually here. Okay, so but if your aim is to become a business owner, or if you want to start your own business in some other field, I think that WordPress is a good tool. But if you want to become a good successful software engineer, you want to move on to some other companies and you want to earn so much money, my advice is don't go for WordPress, learn some other framework and do your job. Okay, thank you.